Your eyes don't deceive you. I'm back in the RS3. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Adam, and this is Van City Audi. I am so excited to bring you this week's content. I'm back in my RS3. Just to drive it again is amazing. Headed back out to the track for street legals out at Mission Raceway. I've had the vehicle back for about, on the road for about, what is it now, almost a week now. What ended up happening is IROS shipped the motor back to me, got it to Ryder Performance, and within 24 hours, Ryder Performance had the motor back installed and ready for me to take it for a drive to break in the motor. Unbelievable customer service, truly a master at his craft. I cannot wait to see him redo his shop. He's building it all out, and I'll be bringing you guys footage from the shop itself. He specializes in custom fabrication, and he works exclusively with Audis and Volkswagens. So don't mind the exhaust rattle. Even the things you hate about the RS3, I still kind of miss. Oh, it's so good to have it back. I'm headed out to Mission Raceway. I'm actually not going to be racing this week. I want to put a few more kilometers or miles on the car before I actually get back to racing. Custom Code has asked me to data log and get them the information on how the car's running, how the engine's running, before I really push it hard at the track. So, not sure who I'm going to see at the track this week. It's going to be a crapshoot, but I'm hoping, as always, there'll be some very cool cars out there to show you, and I hope you enjoy this week's footage. I'm back, baby. To be back.
Your mom wants me to buy her this, but I don't know. If I can afford it. I'm telling her she needs a Corvette. Or a Mustang like George's. The Audi's a pretty... the vintage status, the collector plate status. Pontiac is very much hot. Mike Libby, cool down to 2014 Corvette, goes 1090 at 126.
Well, that concludes another night out at Mission Raceway. Congrats to John on his new personal best in his Camaro ZL1 1LE. I really tried to focus on a lot more of the domestics tonight. I was getting some flack from some of the people that were viewing my channel, as well as some locals at the track that said, "Hey Adam, why the heck don't you have more American muscle on your channel?" My response was, it's Van City Audi, an Audi channel, but that doesn't mean I'm not a fan of American muscle. I'm a fan of all makes and models, fast cars, cool cars, you name it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the different cars, the different footage tonight. Fingers crossed, next week I will be back at the track and I will be racing. I'm gonna do my best to make sure the car is all dialed in this week and make sure everything's good. I gotta bring it back to Rider Performance so they can do a once-over, make sure everything is good. Then I will get back to the track and start racing. We'll get some baselines in as is. I haven't modified a heck of a lot. Maybe some additional weight reduction, but nothing too crazy. Same tune as last year, maybe slightly tweaked, but nothing too dramatic. Get some baselines in and then really start going at it in the months to come. So thank you everyone for watching. As always, I appreciate your guys' support. Please subscribe, like, and share, and I can't wait to start racing and show you guys that content next week. Take care, guys.